Hey, what's up, folks? So, if you're watching this video, then that means you like the title and you are in need of some type of prevention method for ingrown hair. So, I'm going to teach you or show you my way of doing it. I don't shave too often. I don't get ingrown hairs often at all, simply because I don't cut my hair beneath the skin. But I'm going to show you real quick. So, I'm starting out with some black. So, I want to cleanse the area, get the area nice and clean. All right, very simple. Wow, we're right to the next scene. Next scene, some witch hazel. Witch hazel is my favorite thing to use. It's amazing astringent, an amazing astringent. Jeez, Mike, and it's natural as well. So you just need to grab like a cotton swab or something like that. I got like the little square ones around somewhere. Okay, I got this thing. Found in the cabinet, so doesn't have really a smell to it. So it's cool. It's whatever. Use this thing. I'm just pull a little bit of witch hazel, like up there on one part of it. And yeah, you can see it's nice and clean. Let me hit the neck. So one of the things you want to do, even though I just took a shower and I just cleansed myself, you want to make sure there's no dirt, because if dirt's in there, it's going to cause a problem, all right? Because ingrown hairs come from a dirt clog, right? That's one way. Or a little dirty. Okay, whatever, I'm good. A dirt clog, or if you have like really coarse or curly, hair, like I do. My beard hair is very coarse, very curly, and it's very flat as well, if you take a look at it in certain parts. And if you cut it beneath the surface of the skin, what happens is the curliness of the hair will not make its way back through the pore. So like there's already a hole there, like the hair hole. And the issue I'm having, let me pause real quick. This right here is just a scrub. This is a custom was this coffee scrub that I had. I like to use coffee scrubs with my beard. I like the smell of it. But my staple is the Hathor facial scrub that we have. It has brown sugar and coconut sugar in there. And I like that one because it's a lot more gentle than this coffee. But my neck's dirty, so I need to really get all that stuff off. So I'm just gonna do all that part. But back to the ingrown hairs. So with me, my beard hair is so curly, it doesn't go through the same hair hole. And because it doesn't go through the same hair hole, it starts trying to make its way out somewhere through the surface. So it starts poking, which is how, I get hair bumps. Oh, what the hell? God damn it. Put my foot on the table and we have this electrical thing for the cat and zap my damn self. God damn it. But yeah, so crap, what was I? Oh yeah, so it doesn't go through the same hole. So one of the things you want to do is you want to massage the area with a scrub, and using that massaging of your neck area or wherever you may have it, ladies, gentlemen, down south or something like that, you got to massage the area, because when you're doing that massaging, it'll really help that hair that's underneath start making its way to the right hole it's supposed to be in, because it's not too far off. You can usually take a pair of tweezers. Yeah, you can take a pair of tweezers and kind of dig in there, and you can start pulling it out and stuff. Yeah, that's my outro, I guess. But yeah, so ingrown hairs are a pain in the butt, but once you get rid of them, you'll be good, and it wouldn't turn off. So this is what happened when I couldn't turn it off.